This soup has all the flavors of stuffed cabbage rolls, but none of the work. Let's make it. To make unstuffed cabbage roll soup, you need 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, some ground beef, about half a pound. You're gonna need some turmeric, cumin, paprika, cinnamon, dried mint, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 can of diced tomatoes, about half a cup of short grain rice, and you're also going to need 1/4 of a cabbage. You need some water or broth, and to finish, you're going to add some lemon and some parsley. I'm going to separate this part because it's quite hard and hard to chew, and then chop this into bite-sized pieces. This is how it should look, and this will go into the soup, and honestly, it will just soften and become very delicious. You need about 4 cloves of garlic to make this soup. However, if you like to add more, I think it's going to be great. It really depends on how much you like garlic. I love garlic, so sometimes I add up to 6 cloves depending on the size of the garlic cloves. I always try to finish my soups with some kind of fresh herbs. Here I'm using some parsley, but dill would work. If you like cilantro, that would work really well. So always try to finish your soup with some kind of fresh herbs. It just adds that final touch of freshness. With parsley, I usually don't separate the stems that are pretty thin. The very thick ones, I actually do separate them because they just don't look good when they're in the soup. But you want to chop these finely so that every bite has some fresh herb in it. I'm going to add some onion into the pot and saute it for about 5 minutes until translucent. To the onion, I'm going to add some garlic. Now that the onion and garlic are quite aromatic, I'm going to add the ground beef. I'm using lean, but if you like to use 85% lean, that works just fine. To the brown beef, I'm going to add all my spices. I have a combination of turmeric, paprika, cumin, very little bit of cinnamon, and some dried mint. To the spiced beef, I'm going to add some tomato paste. The diced tomato that I'm adding is canned, but you can also dice some fresh tomatoes. If it's summer and they're juicy and nice, you can do that. For the short grain rice, I'm using Egyptian rice, but you can also use arborio. And finally, the cabbage is going in. Now it's time to add the water. You can also use broth or stock. I'm going to let this cook for about 30 to 40 minutes until the cabbage is completely soft and the rice is fully cooked. Adding lemon and parsley to the soup will give it so much flavor. And now we're ready to serve. It looks delicious and smells so good. You can make a large batch of this and have it through the week. Give it a try and enjoy.